Welcome to the Brook Railroad, and today's video was filmed back in March and April of 2024. It is mapping the Ossipee Central main line, and there have been some changes. The Ossipee Central Railroad track and facilities, turntable, roundhouse, have all gone to a different owner. Somebody who actually has the resources to pull it up and move it in short notice, and something that I was not able to do due to circumstances beyond my control. So, without further ado, we'll give you one last look at the facilities at the Ossipee Central Railway. I still have the equipment though, so there's more to come on that. Welcome to the Ossipee Central Railroad. It is the Brook Railroad YouTube channel. But today, we're doing some measuring of the Ossipee Central. I have today's sponsor, Mower. This is a Mower stick right here. This is a Mower 1 right here. I'm going to turn that on. There, so that's on and waiting to be connected to my phone. So we'll turn on the Mower app here. And I've attempted to measure this before, but it was just raining too darn much. So let's see, let's do an open shape. Yeah, actually, let's do a closed shape. We're going to start with a closed shape. And we're going to start from over here at this crossing. Start Mower right here. Now, it says on the screen here that a diagram of your measurement will appear here on the screen as you go. And I'm going to do a trace line, and that'll trace the middle of the track. I'm going to keep this in the middle of the track here. That'll give me the full route. Push plus, and do a closed shape and trace line, and device is on, place at start, is at start, start measuring. And I'll stop right here. And that tells me that it took a measurement, that clunking bell sound. There's a clanging sound if it didn't get a good measurement, and then you gotta try again.
Kind of like a ploink noise. .952 feet. Alright, so I'm going to go to File, Save, OCR main line. There we go, we'll save it. File successfully saved. Good. We can do more of that later. Well, that is Mower, a measuring device that allows you to measure the height, width, and depth and plot things all at once. It saves a lot of time, saves a lot of guesswork actually too, because believe it or not, it's a whole lot of guesswork in laying out a railroad. This railroad here, by the way, its route was plotted by a surveyor at great expense. I just did it, one person, in 10 minutes, give or take. So, there you go. That's how much time Mower can save you. It's a neat little tool. It's made for landscapers, but it's still a neat little tool that I think will work very well in the backyard railroading community. So thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it, and well, maybe more than I enjoyed making it, because, you know, typical spring day in New England. Enjoy the rest of your day. This is wet and cold. I'm going inside.